Now, we start to introduce how to maintain or replace the Hall element of KN06 valve. First, unplug the power cable. Find the buckle on the cover. Disconnect the buckle. Pull out the front cover. Then find the main PCB. This is the cable connected with display PCB. Hold the main PCB and disconnect the cable. Now the front cover is completely removed. Unplug the cable from the Hall element. Unscrew the screw of the Hall element holder. Remove the Hall element holder. The Hall element is on top of the holder. Pull the Hall element out while breaking the buckle. After the maintenance or replacement, we can start to install the Hall element. Ensure the blue component on the Hall element facing the buckle on the holder while inserting. The raised side of the Hall element faces inward. Insert the Hall element. Then screw the Hall element back into the end plug. Plug the cable back into the Hall element. Connect the display cable with main PCB. Ensure the buckles face outward. Then install the front cover back. Align the buckle with the groove on the end plug and press. Then plug the power. The valve will make a self-check upon power back. If the screen back to the main page, the replacement is finished. This is the guidance of how to maintain the Hall element of KN06 valve. Thanks for watching.